Hi, I'm Rico. I'm with DeVries Construction. I'm the president of the company. Today we're pouring in Irvine, California. We're pouring 90 yards of concrete, and I'm about to show you guys what we're going to do. So before you get on a job site, you got to make sure you got your hard hat on, safety vest, hard boots, and that's it. Let's walk through. Today we're using Robertson's concrete mix. This truck right here holds 10 yards of concrete. We'll be pouring between 70 and 90 yards today, so that's between 7 to 9 trucks in total. Right now we're dumping all the concrete into the back of the boom truck, and that boom will end up pumping it all through the system and laying it out on the other side. So over here we're pouring stem walls, and we're pouring phase 1 of a double slab. First slab, we let it cure, let it dry, and then we'll come back later on this week and pour the second slab right on top. So on these type of jobs, we have inspectors and all kinds of city inspectors, engineers, always on site in these types of jobs. Today we have a few, as you can see, and right now a little issue came up. We have a product called Stego. They're stakes that dig into the ground, and I'll show you in a second. The inspector was concerned we're gonna rip them out, but what he didn't realize, he thought they were steel, but in reality they're fiberglass. So we end up cutting them. These gray stakes sticking out that are, they go up and down, these are the ones in question. So they're concerned that we're gonna rip them out, and then there's gonna be a hole left in the plastic, which underneath the plastic is the ground, which is native, which is sand or dirt or whatever aggregate is in the mix design. Now, if we rip it out, then that allows moisture to come through to the slab. So he was concerned that we were going to rip them out, but these are fiberglass, so we end up cutting them. So over here we're pouring the second location, is the second move on. End result will be a ramp. Right now we're going to pour the footings first, and then build some walls, and then come back and finish the final ramp. So let's come over here and take a look, and I'll show you what we're doing. So right now we're pouring the footings. Basically the footings is the foundation of what we're building right now. So again, this will be done in 2 stages. So the footings are first, and this is the base of what we're going to pour. And this final product will be a loading dock. And the footing right now will be, again, the base. And then once that is done, second stage, we'll be putting up walls about 8 inches wide, where you see the rebar right now. And it'll go up, and that's about it. Slab all the way across, and we're done. So right now we're vibrating the footing. So the concrete, usually at this stage, it's the easiest thing to do is pour footings. It's quick, and it doesn't have to be anything crazy, no special finishing, it's just gotta be flat. So right now they're vibrating, and that vibrating, what it does is when you vibrate the area, it avoids any air gaps or any air pockets, so the concrete gets everywhere. So right now, in between the rebar, as you pour, there's gonna be voids. So once you vibrate, then it fills those voids, the concrete spreads nicely, and you avoid having any kind of gaps or air pockets. Thanks for tuning in. If you like our content, please make sure to like and subscribe.